Namaste. In this video, we are going to find these functions are inverses or not. And here given fx is equal to 3x minus 2 upon 4x plus 1 and gx is equal to x plus 2 upon 3 minus 4x. We can easily find out fx and gx are inverses or not if satisfied. These composition of functions is equal to x. Fogx is equal to x. So Fogx, it means f of g of x. What is gx value? Gx value is x plus 2, this one, okay? 3 minus 4x. And what is fx? Fx is 3x minus 2 upon 4x plus 1. So here x replace with this x plus 2 upon 3 minus 4x. So 3x replace with x plus 2 upon 3 minus 4x and minus 2, and here 4x. X means replace with this x plus 2 upon 3 minus 4x plus 1. We can simplify this. So this is 3x plus 3 times 2 6. 3 multiply with this one divided by 3 minus 4x minus 2. And 4 multiply here, so this is 4x plus 8 divided by 3 minus 4x plus 1. We have to make same denominator, so for that here multiply and divide by 3 minus 4x, here 3 minus 4x. Here also we want to make same denominator, so for that multiply and divide by 3 minus 4x. Here same denominator, so we can easily subtract numerator. This is 3 minus 4x and this is 3x plus 6 minus 2, 3 minus 4x. And here also same denominator, 3 minus 4x. Here 4x plus 8, we can add numerator. 1 multiply this, it means 3 minus 4x. Or if you want to write down like this, so it's okay. This denominator and this denominator cancel. 3x plus 6 minus 2 times 3 minus 6 minus 2 times minus 4x is plus 8x, 4x plus 8, and this is plus 3 minus 4x. 4x cancelled by minus 4x and 6 minus 6 will be 0 or cancel. 3x plus 8x, 11x divided by 8 plus 3, 11. 11, 11 cancel and we get x. So yes, we wanted exactly x, right? It means they functions are inverses. So very simple question. If you know algebra, you can easily solve these steps. Very simple steps. But if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.